You have a nice living space, which again, pretty large kitchen with a lot. The master bedroom again, very spacious. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm excited to show you a lovely project called the Satwa Songbird located here in Budigere Cross. As you can see behind me, we have the marketing office. And now, before I give you more details about the project, let's find out what Housey does. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. And Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from different brokers by connecting you directly with the developer. Since Housey directly connects you with the developer, you can book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So what are you waiting for? Connect with us soon. So right now I'm standing in front of the Satwa Songbird, as you can see right behind me. This property is located in the Budigere Cross, and this is the neighborhood and the road connecting to the property. So now I'm going to give you an overview of the project of the Satwa Songbird, which is located in Budigere Cross. This property is spread across a land parcel of 16 acres comprising of 4 towers, and these towers have 2 basements plus ground floor plus 31 floors. So the Satwa Songbird comprises of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3T apartments. As you can see, the 1 BHK is spread across 753 square feet, which costs about 1 crore negotiable, which is studio apartment, which has 468 square feet, which is 68 lakhs negotiable. The 2 BHK has 1200 to 1300 square feet, which is 1.7 crore negotiable. 3 BHK 2T has 1398 square feet, which is 1.9 crore negotiable. And the 3 BHK, which is 1700 plus 1800 square feet, which is 2.4 crore and negotiable. So these were the variants of the different flats available at the Satwa Songbird. Now coming to the connectivity, this property is located about 4 minutes from the Brigade Orion Mall, 40 minutes from the Kempegowda International Airport, with about 2 minutes from the Old Madras Road and about 15 minutes from the KR Puram. So this property boasts of 45 plus luxurious amenities, which includes 4 clubhouses, swimming pool, 2 acres of central activity space and 12 sports court. Right now I'm standing in front of the 3 BHK model flat of the Satwa Songbird, which is spread across 1770 square feet. Let me give you a tour of this property. As you enter, you can see you have a nice, very welcoming foyer area here, which is nicely done up with this nice lighting here. You can maybe add a nice mirror or some artifacts here to beautify the place. And as you enter here, you have a nice living space, which again accommodates 3 plus 2, maybe 5-seater sofa, and right opposite to the seating area you have the space for your television and to maybe add on some extra cabinets. This opens up to a nice long balcony outside, which has a lovely view of the garden area. It's nice plants all around it. Now this is the living space. Right opposite to this space, as you can see, you have a nice shelf kind of a thing done up here, which can be used as a bookshelf or to add maybe some artifacts and other showpieces that you like. And this space can also be used to add some extra cabinets in case you require more space. This extends up to a nice dining area, which again comfortably seats a 6-seater table. And you have space here as well to show or to store your dining sets. This opens up to a nice, spacious, pretty large kitchen with a lot of natural lighting from outside. You can see because of these nice French windows. And you have your breakfast counter here with some added cabinets on top with a nice view of the garden outside. You have enough space for the sink. You have cabinets here on the bottom and on top a lot of storage space, and they are very cleverly utilized the storage space here. And here on the side you have additional cabinets where you can store your other appliances, and then you have space here for your refrigerator, and you have this little utility area here for with the sink, and space here to accommodate your dishwasher and other appliances that you like. Now let's go have a look at the first bedroom of the Sattva Songbird. So this is the first bedroom, which can be used as a master bed, which can be used as a guest bedroom or a kid's bedroom. You have a nice queen size bed here with enough space on either side that can be utilized as your side tables. Enough space to even accommodate nice chair here. You have space here to add your television and cabinets below for storage, and nice large wardrobes here which extend up to the ceiling. And this bedroom, which is the first bedroom, also has an attached balcony which has the same view as the living area. A nice long balcony. I like how spacious and nicely done it is, you know. Now we go to our bathroom area, which is again an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. Overall, the guest room is spacious, nice and well ventilated. Now let's go have a look at the second bedroom of this lovely property. As we move to the second bedroom, right before that we have common bathroom area again with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. Right here on the side you have, again you can call it a guest bedroom or a kids room with a lot of natural light, accommodates a queen size bed with 2 side tables on either sides. It has a nice wardrobe here, as you can see. Yeah, and you also have a little dressing space here where you can add on like a mirror and use it as a dressing space. Here on the opposite side of the bed you can see you have your television space as well, and you also have enough space to accommodate a nice study area here for the kids, and nice French windows for natural lighting. So this was the second bedroom, and now let's move on to the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of the Sattva Songbird. And before I give you more details about the master bedroom, let's find out what Housey does for us. Alright, Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will give you an actual tour of the flat. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey will give you the pricing options, which includes EMI and down payment options that are available. And Housey will also give you a 360-degree virtual tour of this property. So if you like this property so far, you can click on the link mentioned in the description and book a free site visit with us. Come on in. Now let me give you a tour of the master bedroom. The master bedroom again is very spacious, accommodates a queen size bed with 2 side tables, and right opposite to the bed you have the wardrobe area here, and on the right side you have the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. I like how they've added this detail here of a swing chair. That's nice. And this also, the reason for natural ventilation light is also because of this nice lovely balcony, which is an attached balcony. It's long, spacious, the perfect place for your evening chai or private get-togethers. So this was the master bedroom. Now let's move to, we've come back again to the living space, and so this was the sample flat tour of the 3 BHK sample flat of the Satwa Songbird. If you like this property, do not forget to click on the link provided to book a free site visit, and our sales team will be more than happy to assist you. And if you want to know more details about this project, you can click on the link below and download the e-brochure with all the details about the project. So if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties across Bangalore, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.